Vivian.
Oh, got it. Well, I made $105 on PDD.
What the hell?
Yeah, I guess it filled me without me knowing. I tried to get filled and wouldn't get filled, but then I got filled, so.
You made 10 all on that one?
Yeah, I made 10R, but not meaning to.
Whoa.
Because I pressed the order 3 times to get filled, and I wasn't able to get filled, and then I guess I did get filled without, you know what I'm saying, without knowing.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm in the
Hold
Vivian.
on, I'm still in it.
Take partial. Raven?
Weird. It says I'm still in it on the desktop, but I'm not in it on my phone. That is confusing. There's something weird going on with the platform because it's saying I'm still in it.
Yeah.
I'm up $120 right now.
Yeah.
But on my phone, I'm completely out. So I have to call Thinkorswim or something. Maybe if I log out and re-log out or something. That is very confusing. Maybe if I go long, it'll reset it or something. Something's weird. Let me go to orders. Orders. Filled. No, it says I filled. Let me call them.
So I tell him to log on to his log on to the website sometimes helps. I'm in the XOM long at the moment, see what happens.
XOM.
Yeah.
Yeah, oil's up today.
Yeah, a couple that are down. Oh, it's one that's down.
I'm so mad at PBO.
That's strange. There's something wrong with Thinkorswim today that usually draw a line where your entry is. This time it doesn't have it.
XOM beautiful.
Yeah. Wow, I really want to enter that PDD, but my new low has been giving me a bad time.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Hey, so I'm still in this, for some reason, still in this PDD trade on my Thinkorswim app.
Try log in the website, see if it tell you differently.
Well, I think it is differently, but basically the app is stuck. You know, but the phone app tells me that I'm out of the trade. And I've tried pressing the flatten button on Thinkorswim, and it doesn't do anything. So I don't think I'm in the trade anymore. But I have a call to Charles Schwab, and they're going to hopefully call me back. And they're telling me basically your Thinkorswim is stuck.
Ah, then the EOG.
I'm going to log out again and try logging in again. This is dumb.
You know what?
This kind of stuff happened when I was using Street Smart Edge with Charles Schwab. This is one of the reasons why I moved my money back to TD Ameritrade, because I was like, you take one trade and you can't manage your trade. You don't know if you're in or out of the trade. It was bad, you know. It was stuff like this. Exactly like this. And then you try to get out of the trade, and they would say, you boxed yourself in, so they'd give you a warning, like, you can't do that, you can't be long and short on a stock. And you're saying, like, how can I avoid this if you guys aren't going to tell me if I'm in a trade or not? And they'd say, oh, you just have to give us a call. That's how you have, and I'm like, that's not acceptable for a day trader, you know?
Yeah.
For a swing trader, maybe, but not acceptable. Oh, okay.
You know what sucks though? It's the line will tell you your position. It's not there anymore.
Well, now it updated. It says I'm 105. So let's see if that's correct. 105. Yep, it updated. So hopefully that's the truth. And now I can go back to trade and see if I can do a PDD long. Now that they screwed me over. But I'm not going to do a PDD long until I see a clear 5-minute doji bar. I'm still bearish on it, and hopefully they give me a call back. But I might just call it a day until later on, you know, since I already basically up 10 Rs.
Yeah.
On that trade accidentally. If I had done it with the correct amount of shares, I think this would have been, let's see, 1, 2, 3 Rs? Yeah, that makes sense. About 3 Rs. But what ended up happening is I pressed it like 3 or 4 times.
Yeah.
You know, canceled, pressed, canceled, and I guess it didn't cancel me because the order wasn't working. So all the orders went through, and I got like, I guess maybe about 40 shares or 20 shares or whatever it was. I think 20 shares? Yeah, 20 shares. Covered at 105 from 110, so that makes sense. On there. That's awful. What the heck? Here's the long right here. Maybe not, actually. PDD probably keeps going, actually. Kind of wish I was still in it. If I was trading, what's upsetting is I don't care that I made 10 Rs. I'm upset that I actually didn't get to trade it per my system. Because I would have traded it, taken one partial on the wide range bar, and then held the rest, and I'd be up more. I'd just be letting it just do its thing. Rather than being like, you know, weirded out that I can't figure out how to get out of the trade. So I had to just cut everything. So that is really, really annoying. So I might just consider myself lucky that I got out with at least a win versus a loss, and then just come back later hopefully when the platform is working correctly.
Well, it's not working correctly because the line that I want to be shown up there is not there anymore.
So yeah, so that's what I'm scared of. I'm scared of even placing a trade now and then having the opposite, you know, having it go against me and then I can't get out and then I closing the platform down, so I'm just gonna wait for them to hopefully call me back. I have a call to them, and it said if you want to have them call you back, press 1.
Oh, that's right now. If I put in an order,
Yeah,
it takes forever to show up, and
yeah.
it takes forever to cancel.
Let's see what let's see what happens on their Twitter here. I bet you everyone's complaining. Yeah. Let's see here.
Maybe not a good day to trade with this system being whacked out like this.
Yeah, it sounds like it. I mean, if it's definitely all screwed up, and they're not calling me back yet. And they said I trust the phone app, because the phone app, like that's what I would suggest you do, is quickly open up the phone app and see what they're saying. If you can get out of trade on the phone app, that's good.
Yeah, but it's a pain, you know.
I know, but at least you can flatten all your trades.
Well, so far, I'm up only 1 R on XOM.
Well, at least you're up. How's Lynn doing? Lynn,
I'm doing okay with the Vivian.
Are you able to trade, or are you having?
Yeah. Now, okay.
Now, okay. So,
I'm afraid to put in an entry though. I'm just gonna go half press just in case.
One thing really make me mad is a PBR.
PBR, yeah, look at that, just keep going.
Yeah, it if I'm in, I would make like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Look at the candle, how clean, right?
yeah.
Oh god, there's no entry line. That sucks. I think that it saw that line was too good for day traders, so they got rid of it. You know. Alright,
Actually, it makes no sense. It says that I bought 20 shares at 103. Something. I don't even think the price got to 103 when I got out of my trade. This is the weirdest. Oh my gosh, what a nightmare. And they're not calling me back.
because they are dealing with other upset customers right now.
Yeah.
PBR might be climatic, huh?
Keep going. LI.
Yeah, I think PDD is probably going to get down to 97. 90, oh, sorry, 90, 98, 97. But the thing is, I'm too scared to place a trade right now because I wouldn't be able to get out if it went against me. And so I'll call you guys back. I'm going to try to call them again. Hopefully they reach me back. I'll be back.
Okay.
I just want to make sure I'm totally out of the trade, and I want to make sure it's working.
Try the jet option also. Support jet.
Oh, support. Let's see. Is it Trade Desk that you use?
I'm not sure. Dang, I don't have that line anymore. That sucks. Just wanna break even.
What? What's that sound? Is that because I submitted the request? Maybe. BDD is going to go down again. I'm not going to trade it. I'm just sitting there just watching it. I guess what I'm probably going to do is just wait for it to go climactic and then take it to the upside back up to VWAP. But the thing is, I want to make sure that I'm able to actually get out of a trade if I decide to go in it. On both sides, you know?
Yeah.
Regardless. I think it's going down again. You see the little flag right here?
Yeah.
I think we're going down to 97, 80. There's like a pivot down here. And we're so close, so it makes sense. You know, we're at 102. We just got to go $3 more. I'm sorry, like $5 more. It's already dropped quite a bit, but this thing could keep going. Looks like the buyers are not even able to get it past a single bar. What's going on with my AMC? Put at AMC. Is that the alert? Oh, that was the alert. Okay.
Oh my gosh, come on.
What's going on?
Doesn't wanna show up on my my thing.
So it's still not working, right?
It takes forever for it to go through. like a limit order. Takes forever to
Yeah.
go through.
You see how many trade I missed? WBD.
Oh wow, yeah. Oh my god, that's such a nice level 1. Oh jeez.
You see the pullback?
Yeah.
This kind of trade you can get in like 1,000 shares
Uh-huh.
to make quick money.
I mean, you don't need to make quick money to make long money too, you know?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Well, here goes the long on PDD, but I'm not going to do it still because you're saying you still can't even get into trades, right?
Oh, I think I can trade like my limit order takes forever to show up, so I just do a market order.
So if you press market order, you're able to get in.
Yeah.
Interesting.
But I'm also, one thing I don't like is that my trade usually, has that line, that line that they create for us.
Oh yeah, you're not even getting that.
Now you don't get that line anymore.
Oh, I'd be careful. I would think that you're possibly not even getting real trades.
No, it's show on my my phone.
Check your okay. Okay, good. I was gonna say check your phone.
Yeah, it's on there.
I wonder what happened to Snow. Snow was something I was eyeing to trade. Oh, good. Yeah, that's what I figured. I was thinking Snow was gonna break yesterday's high and go long on it for a little scalp up to the upside here.
Yeah, it did. So.
Yeah. I wanted to take it long, but of course could not get filled as well. So I just canceled the whole thing. Let's see what kind of Twitter problems they're having now. Back to Twitter. Oh wow.
Okay, PBR pulling back.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a lot of people. Holy shit, Charles Schwab. Can you tell me what orders? Oh, here they are.
Oh, I guess they're calling.
Can't concentrate, huh, on the trade.
Yeah.
CLF.
Yeah, CLF is doing really good right now. I just got into TDD.
Market dropped for a while. Dang, I was up 1-0, now I'm down 2-0. Getting pulled back quick.
PDD is working. And break even again. So
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, found something out. So the guy told me to go and clear my cache, like close the platform down
Oh.
and clear the cache and start it again. He said that often. He said what happened is they had a server that was not relaying the orders back to Thinkorswim. It was delayed. So because it was delayed, it was causing a lot of issues on Thinkorswim.
Yeah.
And people wouldn't know that. So they had over 2,000 callers calling in that were having issues with their platforms. And he said now the call volume has gone down to just 100. So he says most likely it's over now. Like the worst of it's over, but people still need to go and clear their cache, or else it's not going to update. You know what I'm saying? Everything is not updated about what's going on. And then he also said, I said, what happened to the line on my graph that would tell me when I'm in an order?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And he said, go up to your, he said they moved it. So you go to chart settings, and it's going to be under general, and it's going to be on the left-hand side, show positions. You can do not show, show for underlying only, show for options only, or you can do show all.
Oh, I see.
That's stupid.
Yeah. So he said they moved it. So because they moved it, now everybody's wondering where the heck is my,
Yeah.
And then I double checked that I made whatever I made, and he said, yeah, it was correct. He said that I was out of the trade, everything. So just going to consider it a walk away day, and maybe only trade PDD to the upside if I get it to go climactic. I wish I was still in this trade to the short side, because I wanted to see that level 2 that triggered.
Yeah, PDD. I'm in it short right now. So.
Beautiful. Did you get right underneath the green bar? Basically?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was my plan. I was like, after this level, once the upside is going to be a Hikaki.
Yeah. I
want to jump in, and of course, now it's gone down $2. I think it's still going to that 98. So, okay. I mean, that's where I see the pivot on the daily chart.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to get down there, but I'm going to close the platform down and just consider myself lucky, because just imagine if I had gotten filled and I wasn't able to get out, and this thing rose and filled the gap today,
Yeah.
Which is definitely happens to sometimes shorts. Like you short the first opening range break, you have to be willing to quickly get out if it breaks that 20 moving average. And let's say it broke it got over to 105, it gets to 120, and I'm sitting there down $200 or even worse, and trying to argue with the guy that, hey, like you try to argue with the broker, telling them that they owe you money, Good luck. Only the really, really, really professional brokers will give you your money back.
Yeah.
Like Thinkers, Centerpoint Securities, all that stuff. If you say like, hey, I got in this trade, I wasn't able to get out of your platform, this and that, and now I'm sitting here $200 loss, they'll reimburse you for that issue. But I don't believe the big broker houses do that, because if you think about it, if they had 2,000 callers.
Yeah.
There's going to be people in that group. Believe you me, right? 2,000. There's going to be people in that group that have some unrealized losses that they're going to try to say that they want to be reimbursed because the platform is not acting right.
Yeah.
And if they allow every single person to get what they want, they're probably going to be down over a couple million today.
Yeah.
But the cool thing about it is you get these class action lawsuits that end up happening. And
Yeah, I was up 1 all, down 2 all, break even, now down 1.5 all.
Oh.
Yeah.
AMD looks like a great short, by the way.
AMD.
This is one I call a gap surprise. It started off in the day going higher than the previous day's high, and then quickly negated it. So your short would have been right underneath the low of day. And then now it's breaking yesterday's low. I think it's going to get back down to the 20-period moving average, 143. But maybe not today. But I'm going to go ahead and save my chart setting here. Show position, show all. Good. And
That's stupid. They should do that. Like that's a default, you know.
yeah, I know it should. And then I have to change my line at price to be a blue line here instead of a red line. Or a green line, actually. Let's see. Okay, apply. I want line at price. I'm just glad I got out with a winner.
Yeah.
Line at price.
Yeah, PDD still going down. Oh my god, now I'm down to something off. No, annoying.
Alright.
Whoa, what's up with AMD? Dang.
Yeah. Line at price. Let's see. Line at price. I want to do. What color do I want to do here for line at price? I'll do a show bubble. Show bubble. Nah, it's not very good. Let's do.
Come on, JD. Drop. Drop, drop, drop.
There we go. There goes PDD.
Woo! PDD. Beautiful.
I know, right? That is beautiful. Let's see here. I'm looking under the general tab under the show last price bubble. That's kind of cool. I don't know if you've ever used that. Show last price bubble. I wonder if I disconnect that. Show last price bubble.
I don't know. It
Still doesn't do anything.
shows the bubble on the side of the ball.
Yeah, let's show high-low bubbles, right?
No, this was no, not just showing.
Show last price bubble doesn't seem to do anything on my chart. Send orders to the left. Show symbol. Show trades. I don't like show trades because it's annoying that they do on the chart. They like. Show trades. Get out of that. Okay. There is auto hide status string. What the heck is that? What's auto hide status string? Oh, okay, yeah, I want to auto hide status string. It gets rid of a lot of crap. Okay, single panel, my tools, fixed. Let's see what floating looks like. Oh, I don't like floating. Oh, that's annoying. Too much stuff. Fixed. Apply. New York Standard Time. Okay, synchronized crosshair positions. I don't like that. That takes up too much data. Although it's great to have. Synchronized crosshair positions. Apply. Okay. You get rid of that. Okay. Highlight studies over hover, no. Show studies, yes. Show orders. Price axis. Okay, corporate actions. Appearance. Equities. Okay. I'm going to save this chart now. Still got some room to go on PDD. Style. Save style. Save. All right. Well, I will call you guys back. I'm not going to trade for a little while.
Yeah, me too.
Sounds
Okay,
good.
we talk later.
Yeah, unfortunately, you know.
Okay, bye
This
bye
whole
now.
ordeal. How you doing, TA?
I'm doing fine. Just down one at the moment. Some things are working. Some more like kind of on sideways.
Okay,
So,
I understand.
Okay, guys,
yeah.
bye bye now.
All right,
Take care,
bye.
guys.
Bye. Yeah, I think I will come back to PDD for a long
Yeah.
eventually.
But basically that order went through, right? Your cannot trade was actually work.
Yeah, it actually works.
Nice.
It's funny because I
Yeah.
submitted 3 times to get filled. So basically, I was risking instead of 1 R on the trade, I was risking 3 R's. So it makes sense, you know, 3 times, you know, itself. I made like 3 or 4 R's on it, so you know, roughly around $10.
Yeah.
You know,
Great.
but that's still silly
Yeah.
because I would have liked to just get filled with 1 R, and I would have liked to just be in the trade, taking my partial at that green bar,
Yeah.
re-entering right here. I probably would make the same amount today, you know, or close to the same amount, and I'd feel happier about my trades rather than being like I made 10 R's off of a mistake.
Yeah.
You know, that's not what I'm trying to just go for good trading, not for making money, not for making the money. It's more like, you know, like look what how I traded PDD. I guess I could say one thing is that I was right as far as my bias, right?
Yeah.
I mean, but then again, I mean, it's not like I thought about the bias. It was like, well, it's underneath the moving averages. What else are you supposed to do?
Yeah.
It's a short, you know. But yeah, it sucks. So anyway, I will talk to you later. I'll call later if you're still trading. You know.
Yeah.
I'll call you. I'll see if you're still around.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, man.
All right, take care, man.
All right, take care.
Bye.
Bye.
All right. PDP keep going. Wow. Oh damn. Could have made up, no? Damn it, it's still dropping. Oh, jeez. you check out EOG.
DOG.
EOG.
Oh, and look what happened to my PDD to
I
go
know,
long.
right? Yeah.
It worked perfectly right at that area,
Yeah.
98, 97 or whatever, and then you get the level 1, it's going up. I think we're going back up to maybe 103, and then we'll come back down.
Okay, so I'm
Which
up.
one are you looking at?
EOG. Where I don't know. I just got out.
Oh, wow. That looks like it's still going down.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm checking to hold. It has a gap too, so that's the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one. That's one I was down earlier in the day, but then I made back most of it just on this trade.
Nice.
Oh yeah, I lost 2 on this trade alone earlier. Now made back most of it. Still down on this trade by itself, but
Yeah. Well, it seems like this the platform is working a little bit better.
okay, I think but yeah, right now I'm up 2 off for the day, so I'm happy with that.
Nice.
Yeah, look at that J&J, right?
I know, right? Look at AMD. AMD could be a great short coming up in here.
Ah, yeah.
You see how it's coming back up into yesterday's the day's low, so it's coming back up.
Yeah, just slightly up a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, I could see it. I could see we getting a level 1 at the VWAP or something.
Yeah, well, let's see what happens with this.
Yeah.
Yeah, this EOG, I don't know. I need to be more patient on it. I should have just held.
I know.
That's PDD, wow.
Yeah. Look, PDD special sauce right here. But, yeah.
Okay.
I just want to get to 11 hours. So I can call it a day. I did that special sauce.
On PDD?
Well, it's not really a special sauce. I just did it too. It's awful. It's an awful special sauce, but I made money on it.
Yeah, I see that.
Just a 2-minute. I just said, hey, 2 minutes up, multiple bars up. I'm pretty sure it's going to drop right here, at least back. But I personally would love to see a level 1 on this 20-period moving average and then take it short for a double bottom, you know?
Yeah.
I could see it. I also could see it coming down to this 8-period moving average and bouncing and then getting up to VWAP for the day. And then that's where the real good stuff happens. Here's level 1 on AMD if you wanted to try it. I think it's a little... I mean, it's good. It's good. You know, it's in a decent spot. Maybe wait for a secondary entry. So let the first entry go. Wait for the 20 moving average to catch up, and then see what it does. And the market's dropping. The market just triggered a level 1 too. I'm just doing small little amounts because I don't want to have anything weird happen.
Yeah.
That's so strange that they wouldn't, you know, if you got a major company like Charles Schwab and you won't check things before you go and allow people to trade on the platform. Like they should have a little, you know, run a quick test to make sure the servers are working. Don't make 2,000 people have a difficult time.
That'd be too logical.
Yeah, of course, right?
Yeah. Oh wow. Dang it. I had a
Oh,
short.
Nvidia's doing the same thing. Okay, so never mind. If they're all doing the same thing, I would say just trade the market.
I had a short on a BMBL. I didn't have. I can get out, break
Yeah.
even. Now it's going in my favor. Oh my god.
BMBL Bumble. Oh, nice. Yeah, and good spot too. We're right at the 20 per moving average.
What I like about it was that it's like it has a new high value with engulfing ball.
Yeah.
So I should be below that candle. It chopped me around a little bit. Chopped me around a little bit at 8. I'm like, maybe gonna bounce again at the 8.
Mm-hmm.
Got out for like a tiny loss, nothing significant. And then I just dropped.
Jeez.
I thought maybe like a level 1 to the upside, which is triggered, but then I don't know, I trust that one.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I
of
know.
course dropped. But yeah. Come on, PDD. Come back now.
Oh yeah. I think it looks good. I would just wait for a 5-minute.
Yeah, it would be nice if you can form a 5-minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here's not a bad spot.
Not a bad
you
spot.
know,
Yeah.
I think over at the VWAP would be a little bit better. So
Yeah.
I'm really hoping it actually doesn't trigger. I would hope that it was a little bit higher to the VWAP.
But here's like a 20 and the VWAP is pretty close. So. Oh, the VWAP on the with the pre-market on is kind of far. Huh?
Yeah, I got VWAP all at 104.
Yeah. 104.60.
Yeah, so I could see it getting up there. You could even take it long if you wanted to have fun and just, put your stop underneath the 8-period moving average. It's kind of far away. You could use. Oh, weird! I noticed my 20-period moving average thing that the study.
Yeah.
It disappears when the price is at the 20. Have you noticed that?
Yeah, I programmed to. I mean, right there, you really don't know which side is gonna go because, like, right there.
Yeah.
So,
That's smart.
It disappears.
Yeah, that's smart. So basically, and then it'll show you when it gets above the 20. It'll probably pop up again.
Yeah.
But a different color, green.
Yeah.
That's clever. So right now, you're forced to. The way you're going to trade it is basically forced to use the level 1, which tells me 7 shares. It's forming that doji bar, but it's not done. I got 1 more minute.
Damn, J&J. What
Yeah, I know. Look at that.
There go AMD level 1.
Yeah,
and I like that doji on that PDD.
Yeah, that's what I like it too. Yeah.
Is it going all the way now?
It goes down, and it might just keep going higher.
It
might not. Might have had too much of a sell-off to.
You're right.
We'll see.
Okay.
I mean, underneath the.
1 sec, my mom calling.
Sure.
Hello, man. Yeah, thằng này đang. Mình hết phổi chưa có uống. Alright, what happened with that one? Okay. Forming a level 1.
Yeah. The AMD triggered, but it's triggering right into a rising 8-period moving average.
Yeah.
So I was thinking about waiting this one out, letting it do a secondary entry.
Yeah.
Before I go. Same with PDD. I kind of feel like PDD could be one of those as well, where it maybe does some breakout failures to the upside first before we get a nice move down. I could see it get, because I think PDD had a pretty decent sell-off in the morning that I think that for the market makers probably to do better on this trade, they probably want to bring it a little higher to VWAP, but maybe they won't get it. They won't entice enough buyers in to where it actually will trigger short. Looks like it.
Well, I'm in small, so I may add to this level 1 on the PDD.
Oh, okay. You jumped in a little early, kind of.
Yeah, I did a special sauce of 20, like you said.
Oh, nice.
So
Nice.
it's going in my favor at the moment. So
Yeah,
down
I'm
a
looking
little
at I can see the 2-minute time frame has, we're
that's like level 2 kind of.
yeah, we're basing sideways, maybe right underneath this $100.
Yeah, it has the inside ball and the 2-minute or 1-minute also.
Yeah,
Also, yeah, AMD would be kind of working.
yeah,
But I
yeah.
didn't
It's
take that trade.
That's the thing is sometimes it's okay to take. It's like if you don't feel great about it, just give yourself a really wide stop. So I think if I had done the AMD, someone like put a gun to my head and said you have to take this short, I probably would have said okay, I'll do it, but my stop is going to be elevated over VWAP.
Yeah.
So that way I can stomach the ups and downs that it's maybe going to go through.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens next. 20 moving average is starting to be underneath the price. Let's see. Huh?
Let's see.
They're trying to bring it up. They're trying to bring it over.
Might fail, yeah. Might fail. Definitely holding on.
You could just get out. If it breaks over 2-minute, you could just get out if you wanted to and then re-enter underneath the actual level 1.
Yeah, okay.
On the 5-minute, that might be safer.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. AMD worked great so far.
Yeah.
Right into that 8-period moving average. Let's see if it bounces here.
If you're in it, then right here would be a good partial.
Yeah. Yeah, good place right there. All right, PDD.
Very nice.
Looking a little bit better. Well, maybe not.
Maybe not.
They're trying to take it higher, so
crap. I'm out.
we could take it long if we wanted for fun.
Yeah, definitely.
Over the high, over that pivot.
Yeah.
And then target the VWAP. It may not even ever trigger, to be honest. It may never get over there. I would take it over 101, like 60, just to be totally safe. Oh, I think they're going to do it.
I'm going to do it. There you go. That's trigger.
Yeah, there we go. Needs to hold and push up a little bit more before up. Let's see. Well, I took it long for fun.
Okay,
and I'll be ready to flip it short if it gets underneath this level 1 here. 'Cause I figured this could be a trap, but we'll see.
Wow, the AMD looks great.
No, right? What the heck? Working really nice.
The one that we don't take.
Yeah, right? I know.
Oh, it's always the one we don't
It's
take.
always, yeah. It's like, they show you gotta take them all.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I guess we're gonna have to get out. I'm gonna have to get out of PDD and go short, like I originally wanted to.
I
If
see.
this becomes a breakout failure.
Yeah, I mean, if it's a breakout pair, I think that's a good short now.
Yeah.
I did not take that trade, and
Oh, nice.
now I think it's looking better to short with that
For
new
sure,
high
for
failure.
sure,
I'm
yeah.
gonna wait for the ball to finish though.
Yeah, wait for the next bar. Because it could still turn out to be a green bar over the high. You never know. Okay.
There you go, I'm jumping in.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, buddy, don't tell me now, okay?
I like it. I think we're going.
Yeah. We're going down to the moon.
Yeah.
The moon on the reflection.
Yeah, I think we're going to go down. It's a nice little pull down right there. Probably gets down to 99 first and then drops.
A little bit increase in volume, just a little bit.
Oh, that's good.
Alright, buddy. Oh,
There we go.
really
Come
good.
on, PDD.
Come on. That's a 20 Birkenfelder.
Yeah. Come on, a little lower. I think we got the spot. I think we got the sweet spot.
Yeah.
I could see us getting down to 99 first. And then I could see us getting down to this is nice. This is nice.
Ooh.
Look what happened to AMD, by the way.
I know. Right at the 8.
Right at the, yeah, it's
And this is what's happening with BD also right at the 8 right now.
right at the 8, yeah. Although I like this one for more, hopefully this one works. Hopefully the 20 period moving average beats the 8.
Yeah. Plus that failure, that new high failure, I'm hoping that it's gonna...
Yeah, that would normally mean something good, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Took me out at my entry.
The van?
They're doing construction across the street. It's a good move over.
Okay. Can you move it? Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Look what
yeah.
it took me out right at my entry. Oh my gosh, it's probably gonna go higher now.
Gosh.
Annoying.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah, look at that. The crossing, moving average crosses.
I'm up one on, I'm risking one off, so let's see if it's gonna just drop go off. My stop is above that pinball, so.
Nice, nice. Let's see here. it could be a long, or it could be sitting in the channel basically.
Yeah.
Just creating a channel, essentially.
Yeah, could be.
I still like it for a short, but yeah, it doesn't. Looks like the. If you look at that, I like to have that 2-minute time frame right there, and we were basically going right into the 20 period moving average on the 2-minute. That was the annoying part of this.
Yeah.
You could take that VMBL long right here. That's not too bad.
Yeah, you're right.
You know, has like a pullback, hit the VWAP. You'd have to give yourself that wide stop loss, you know, so be okay with it. But
I don't know. The 8
I
is
know.
cooling down too.
yeah. My gosh, look at AMD. Right back up.
Right back up. Right at that 20 in the pivot.
Yeah. I think PDD looks pretty good still. So underneath this green bar would be a good short. If it takes out the green bar to the upside, then I think it's probably going to go to the pivot, the top of that pivot. But hopefully it takes out the low and then continues this trend. It's definitely sitting in this range of 102 to like 90 something. Okay.
Check out this pattern on GH.
GH, okay.
Yeah.
GH. Oh,
Notice how that this went up to the 8, come down, and then halfway of that big green candle, and then that level 1 to the upside.
yeah.
That's happened a lot. Like,
Yeah, it does.
It kind of drop, pull back to the 8, pull back but only halfway, and then next thing you know, just kind of like sit straight up.
Yeah, yeah.
And I wonder if PDD is doing the same thing but on the 15 minute. Not really. Not really.
Let's see.
Still, yeah, the 8 and the 20 is kind of crossing over now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
Could be a long now because I guess it's just so off so much today. Gap down, dropped massively.
Yeah. I mean, if it fails, you definitely could. I could assume it's going to go back down to the low of day and double bottom there, and that'll be the bottom, you know. But I'm thinking short underneath this pivot here.
on the weekly, the PDD is at the 200.
Ah. Okay, good to know. Okay, I like this short PDD here.
Okay, come on. Oh, look at Bumble. Come back now. VMBL.
Oh yeah.
Come back down. Alright, that's PDD looking nice.
Yeah, looking a little bit better, huh?
Yeah.
Hopefully you can get back down to the low of day. VMBL, yeah, looking like it's a good short right here. Maybe, we'll see. Or at least in a channel. That's the crappy part. Sometimes you take these trades, you get out, only to find that you're just in this channel. So you just need to give it more time, you know?
Yeah.
And then it works itself out, and then you get this great move, and you're like, oh, okay. Like AMD kind of looks like it's in the channel, so it's like, okay, probably gonna go There we go. Come on, PDD. Come on. Let's get back down to the low of day for me, at least. Bottom of the channel. Come on. We'll probably add a little bit underneath the low of the next candle. Does. Come on, buddy. Come on, PDD. Nobody wants you. I think PDD's going down to the low of day. Come on. Keep going. Keep going.
Looking good.
Yeah. There we go. Good little ad there.
Okay. I didn't add because it would make my chest like on my back. So
Oh, okay. I understand.
even though I'm only
Yeah, I was just going in with one share and then adding another one share.
I see.
And, you know.
I'm already in 2 shares, so that's why.
Oh, okay. You can only go 2 shares.
Yeah. Well.
It said I could have a total of, well, if I use the previous bar, 8 shares. And then if I use the full pivot, 2 shares. There we go. Come on, PDD. Come on, get us down. Come on. There we go. I want to see it get all the way down to 98, I think.
Check out that special sauce on AMP.
I know. Right, well, right there. There's a level 1.
Yeah.
Right there.
There's
right at the 20.
one. Yep.
That's actually not a bad little level 1 right there. Because that's the 20. If you know you're wrong, if you're wrong right there, you know it's probably going to go back up to VWAP.
Plus, it's also a secondary entry.
Yeah. Yeah. So, pretty good. I like it. I think the safest entry would be actually don't take this one. Let it trigger without you and see if that channel breaks. But PDD's working good for us. I think we're going to get down to the low of day here, double bottom, and then we could take this long as a double bottom. But we'll see if it does double bottom. I think it might even blow past the bottom and then do a new low failure. I made 11 R's for the day.
Nice.
Yeah. Thanks to PDD. I would have actually, if I had kept trading when I wanted to go long, if I was feeling safer about it, I think I would have made probably like maybe 20 hours because I could have taken that long, that level 1 at 1040.
Yeah.
Wrote it up to the 8 right there, and that would have been another like 3 R, and then this right here. If this gets all the way back down to low, that's another maybe 3 R. So you total those add up, they just start, piling in.
Yeah. Yeah, PDD is my best trade for the day.
Which one?
PDD.
PDD? Oh, nice.
My best gain. My second best gain is on GH.
Yeah. Oh, GH, okay.
Yeah.
One thing I got to remember on PDD is I took that stupid long that was meant to trap everybody, and of course I did it. I fell for it.
From earlier?
Yeah, the one at 11:15.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I see.
Yeah, and that I think was not I think the better, like the long would have been better if I had waited for the 20 to be underneath price, not just taking it just because it's breaking, you know?
Yeah.
So that was a little bit too rushed. Luckily, I did it with super small shares because I was just like, we'll see. You know, my plan was it's either going to be a breakout failure, but I didn't think it was going to be a breakout failure like that, like right away.
Yeah.
So that was a bummer. But I think reading price action, that was the clear, that little candle that I took to the long side was the candle that basically told you what bias to have, you know, after that finish.
Yeah.
It was like, oh, okay, we trapped people.
Yeah. One thing I don't like about PDD right now is that 8 is crossing above the 20.
Oh, yeah,
So
you're right.
maybe I
Yes.
can just take a partial here just in case it's chop around.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think-
you're right. You're
I
right. When
think-
that happens, it's
Yeah, it can happen. We can just chop around.
yeah, you're totally right.
Or do a pullback and then do another level 1 to the downside and then
Exactly. Yeah, that's what I was
Yeah.
thinking. Goes down a little bit more and then pulls back to the 20, and then you get a level 1 that actually carries out. Like,
Yeah.
oh yeah, you're right. The 8. It's better when the 8's underneath as well. When everything's in complete alignment, not.
Yeah, this is not this is like yeah.
But you know, it's. I still think the 20 is like the winner. You know, always.
Mm.
You know, it seems like that's like the one that should dictate most of your decision making. But it's good to see that you notice like, hey, wait a minute, the 8's above it. So now, once the 8 gets below it, we're gonna have a better chance. And in the meantime, it might actually chop around a little bit because of that.
Yeah.
And look at this GH, right? Because it's above the 8, above the 20, and above the VWAP. Oh,
Mm.
AMD. It's going back down to the low here.
Yeah.
And then that BMBL looks better even now to the upside. See, it's doing the secondary entries right there.
Oh yeah.
So that's pretty good. Yeah, we could put our stop loss now on PDD just over this previous bar's high. Oh, BMBL just triggered.
Okay.
I think your target is basically just the high day. So it's not the best risk to reward. And then, whereas PDD has a really good risk to reward.
Yeah.
Because all the way down to the lower day is 96.24. So that's quite a ways. Yeah. I'm going to manage this PDD now off 2-minute time frame. Just in case, like you said, the could bounce right here up over that previous 2-minute high. Oh, AMD. Well, even if you took the original level 1, you'd still be okay. It just came up and like never broke over the high.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
You know, so, and even if it did break over the high for that one bar, I think I still wouldn't have been stopped out. My stop loss was at the VWAP, so I would have been able to add to the trade right there on the second level 1, and then take a partial down towards the low, and then keep my remaining share that I had from the original.
Check out EOG.
Which one? DOG?
EOG.
Oh, DOG.
That's a level 2.
Yeah.
But it's a
Do you put the 60 period moving average on your chart by any chance?
not on that chart that I'm watching. But let me see.
Oh, okay. I'm thinking.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Yeah, it might
Might bounce.
bounce right there because of that 60, but it looks good. I think that pattern looks really nice. Looks like it's going to go lower. Let's see, what does the 15-minute say? Oh, okay. So we're breaking the 20 on the 15. So maybe it'll actually keep going down. Or maybe it'll do what you were saying PDD was going to do, where because the 8's above the 20.
Yeah.
Alright, come on, PDD.
Yeah, I was hoping that maybe do a pull back to the 20, but I guess not. For PDD?
No, yeah, I think we're going to
No.
go down a low day and then do a double bottom.
Gosh. I was hoping that I can tap back in one share.
Oh, yeah. This chart is trading very cleanly, I've noticed. The PDD trade.
Yeah.
Seems like whenever there's a stock that's quote unquote in play.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. The studies are working now.
What? What study?
It's showing me my
Stop
red
loss?
line for my stop loss now.
Oh wow. Why
Where
might
it's
not show up?
updated my quantity too. It even showed the quantity in there.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture so you can see this. This is crazy. Actually, let me see if I can do a FaceTime. Let me flip this around. How do I flip this?
Mine doesn't, but I might have to like log out and then put in a clear
Okay, look
cache.
at this. Can you see it? Okay, look.
What? Let me see. I don't. Hold on.
So do you see how it says quantity?
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.
One share?
Oh my gosh.
Now look. You see how it shows me the blue line?
Yeah.
That's my entry.
Mm-hmm.
That's not something that I even did. And then look all the way up there.
That's your stop loss.
That's the red. That's for a 1 hour loss.
Holy cow! Why is that working for you and not for me?
And that's perfect. That's accurate to the risk. And then, yeah, super weird.
I think I need to log out and clear my cache and see if it's working or not.
Oh my god, that's so strange. I don't know why it's working. And then look at. Let's see if I get tagged. Will it all go away? Let's see. I'm gonna kind of scrunch it up so we can see if it's just acting weird due to like something weird. But yeah, it's showing me the quantity.
Wait, I don't see why that would cause it to be weird.
Quantity is working. Red light's telling me this. The red thick line's telling me my stop loss. The blue dotted line is telling me this. I don't know what this other thing is that's blue. Let's see here. What's this one that's blue? That's top. Yeah, this is really weird, huh?
Yeah.
Oops. Let me zoom out so I can get the whole thing. Yeah, there you go. See?
Yeah, nice.
And this is not paper trading, so I don't know how this is working right now. That's super strange. It stops me out. We'll see if those lines go away. I try to put the stop loss kind of close, so that way, yep. Yeah, is it going to stop me out? And it's even, the P&L's correct, too. Wait a minute. Nope, it's not working. Scratch that.
Really?
Yeah, look. I'm not in the trade at all anymore. I got taken out.
Yeah, what's that red line there?
Yeah, exactly. Why is it still showing me that I have a quantity of 1?
I checked it on PDD and got out on the 2 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. See? 2 minute right there. I got out as well. Wish I could.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, so I moved my stop, but I wanted to see if these lines would go away.
I see.
And they haven't. And look, it's still showing me I have a quantity of 1.
Okay.
See, so it's stuck. It's one of those things. That happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had this happen before, and I thought that the study was working, but it was just a weird fluke where it starts working and then it sticks, and it's not really working. It's just the platform. It's almost like the cache is all weird again. Yeah, because I'm not in the trade at all. Yeah, completely out. Quantity 0. Oh, it's so annoying. Now, if I took the trade, it's going to be all backwards and weird. All right. Well, I'm going to close this down and restart it and see if it still does it. Oh goodness. That was the dumbest thing. Gosh.